Ready to kickstart your journey towards a healthier lifestyle? In the vast ocean of health and wellness, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But fear not, we're here to guide you on a transformative voyage. A voyage that begins with understanding the significance of a healthier lifestyle. A healthier lifestyle isn't just about looking good in front of the mirror, it's about feeling good from within. It's about waking up every morning with a surge of vitality, ready to seize the day. It's about having the energy to chase your dreams, and the stamina to overcome obstacles. It's about enhancing your quality of life and adding years to it. Now, how do we embark on this journey towards a healthier lifestyle? Well, the answer lies in the powerful combination of a balanced diet and regular exercise. And that's where the Keto Diet and Workout Challenge come into play. The Keto Diet, short for the ketogenic diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet. It's a diet that pushes your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fats for energy instead of carbohydrates. The result? Weight loss, improved energy levels, sharper mental clarity, and a host of other health benefits. On the other hand, the Workout Challenge is all about getting you moving. It's about incorporating physical activity into your daily routine, pushing your limits and achieving your fitness goals. It's about taking small steps every day towards a stronger, healthier you. So, what can you expect from this video? A comprehensive guide that demystifies the keto diet and sets you up for a successful workout challenge. A guide that's packed with factual information, specific steps, and engaging content. A guide that's not just educational, but entertaining as well. But remember, this journey is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. It's about patience, persistence, and progress. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of Keto Diet and Workout Challenge. What exactly is this keto diet everyone keeps talking about? Well, let's dive right in. The ketogenic or keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that's been touted for its many health benefits. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis, where fat, from your diet and your body, is burned for energy. The keto diet is a game changer for many reasons. Firstly, it's a powerful weight loss tool, as it helps you shed pounds without feeling hungry. By burning fat for energy, your body taps into its fat stores, leading to weight loss. Secondly, it's been shown to improve certain health conditions. It's been used to treat epilepsy in children, and research suggests it may have benefits for diabetes, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Now let's debunk some common myths associated with the keto diet. Myth 1. The keto diet is high in unhealthy fats. The truth is, the keto diet encourages the consumption of heart-healthy fats like avocados and fish, not unhealthy fats like processed foods and trans fats. Myth 2. You'll miss out on essential nutrients. In reality, a well-planned keto diet includes plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and nutrient-dense fats, which can help meet your daily nutrient needs. Myth 3. The keto diet is just another fad diet. Actually, the keto diet has a long history in medical nutrition therapy. It was first used in the 1920s as a treatment for epilepsy and is now being studied for its potential benefits in a range of health conditions. So the keto diet isn't just about eating a lot of fat, it's about eating the right kinds of fat, reducing your carb intake, and making healthier choices overall. It's a lifestyle change, and like any lifestyle change, it takes commitment and discipline. Now that you know what a keto diet is, let's move on to how you can incorporate it into your everyday life. Building a keto diet plan is more than just cutting carbs. It's about creating a lifestyle that fuels your body with what it needs, and that starts with understanding the types of foods you'll be eating. The keto diet revolves around high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carb foods. Your plate should be filled with lean meats, fatty fish, eggs, cheese, avocados, and plenty of green vegetables. These foods are not only delicious but also rich in essential nutrients that your body craves. But what about the foods to avoid? Well, you're going to want to steer clear of grains, sugars, and starchy veggies. That's right, say goodbye to bread, pasta, potatoes, and sugary desserts. While these foods may be tempting, they can kick you out of ketosis, the metabolic state where your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. Now, let's talk about meal timing. While intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool in the keto diet, it's not necessary for everyone. What's more important is to listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. This intuitive eating will help you maintain a calorie deficit without feeling deprived. And what about portion sizes? This isn't about starving yourself. Keto is about fueling your body with the right foods. A good rule of thumb is to fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with protein, and the remaining quarter with healthy fats. But remember, everyone is different. Listen to your body and adjust your portions accordingly. Creating a keto diet plan might feel overwhelming at first, but once you start, you'll see it's not as daunting as it seems. It's about making small, sustainable changes that lead to big results. Remember, this is a lifestyle change, not a quick fix. With this plan, you are one step closer to your health goals. But a good diet needs a good workout routine to accompany it. Complement your keto diet with our carefully curated workout challenge. Now we know that diet is only one piece of the puzzle. To truly optimize your health and achieve your weight loss goals, you need to get moving, and that's where our workout challenge comes in. This challenge is designed with a few key principles in mind. First, we want to make sure that you're burning fat, not just burning through your energy reserves. That's why we've included a mix of high-intensity interval training and strength training exercises in this challenge. These types of workouts are known to boost your metabolism and help your body burn fat more effectively. Second, we want to ensure that you're building lean muscle mass. Muscle is more metabolically active than fat, meaning it burns more calories even when you're at rest. Strength training exercises like weightlifting and resistance training are key for building and maintaining muscle mass. Third, we believe in the power of consistency. That's why this challenge is designed to be sustainable. You don't need to spend hours and hours in the gym to see results. In fact, each workout in this challenge can be completed in under 30 minutes. Now let's talk about the exercises themselves. We've included a variety of exercises in this challenge to keep things interesting and challenge different muscle groups. You'll be doing everything from squats and lunges to push-ups and planks. And don't worry if you're a beginner or haven't worked out in a while. We'll provide modifications for each exercise to ensure that you can participate at your own pace and level. Remember, the goal here is not to push yourself to the point of exhaustion. It's to challenge yourself, yes, but also to listen to your body and respect its limits. Fitness is a journey, not a destination. Are you ready to sweat it out and burn those calories? Let's embrace this challenge together, and remember, every step you take is a step towards a healthier and fitter you. It's time to get moving and shaking with our workout challenge. This is where the magic happens, where we put our plans into action and start carving out the path to a healthier you. First things first, let's talk about form and technique. It's not just about doing the exercises, it's about doing them right. Incorrect form can lead to injuries, and we definitely don't want that. So let's go through each exercise one by one, starting with the squat. This is a staple in any workout routine. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body as if you were sitting down in a chair. Keep your chest up and your knees behind your toes. Rise back up and repeat. That's a squat. Next up, push-ups. Get into a high plank position, hands directly under your shoulders. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor. Keep your back flat and your body in a straight line. Push your body back up and repeat. Then we have lunges. Stand tall, step forward with one foot, and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Keep your back straight and your front knee directly above your ankle. Push back up to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. Now if you're a beginner or have physical constraints, don't worry. We've got you covered. You can modify these exercises. For instance, you can do squats by sitting and standing from a chair, do push-ups against a wall, and do stationary lunges instead of stepping forward. These are just a few of the exercises in our workout challenge. We'll be doing them in sets and repetitions, gradually increasing the intensity as we progress. The key here is to start slow and steady and gradually build up your strength and endurance. Remember, consistency is key. Keep at it, and soon you'll start seeing results. Here's to a healthier you.